My name is Nikolouopoulos. I'm a maxillofacial surgeon from Glyfada, Greece, and I have the privilege and honor to be attending this 6-month masterclass at the University of Athens Dental School run by Professor Χρίστος Αγγελόπουλος. With the certification which we will get from this masterclass, we will be able to have CBCT in our dental offices, and I can highly recommend to all dental colleagues who want to offer this diagnostic facility in their dental clinics to attend this course. It is extremely important in order to legally be able to provide CBCT diagnostics to our patients, and it is also important for us to be responsible and have the necessary theoretical and practical training to be able to provide our patients with the best treatment available.